Hey, Kevin here. What I'm going to show you today is an inverted chord that will allow you to play different songs. Just by knowing these inversions will help you tremendously playing most gospel songs. And it's a major triad, okay? And we'll be in the key of A, okay? First, let's start out with this A major triad. Change this view. We go. Okay. That's the 1, 3, and 5. And we're talking about A, C sharp, and E. So 1, 3, and 5. Now let's invert that. Let's go 3, 5, and 1. So we have 1, 3, and 5. 3, 5, and 1. And then we can go 5, 1, and 3. So right now we have, okay? So if we just wanted to play just all majors. See that? And that's only using those inversions. We just moving them around to different places. So we're going A. We're going different inverted A. Because the same as this one. Right here. Right? Then the 4, which is the D. Back to the 1. To the 5, which is the E. Four. And that's just using an inverted triad. And it seems like you're playing all over the fretboard. Hey, listen, thank you for viewing, and we'll see you soon.